Good morning, beautiful and handsome students. How's everyone's doing? So, how do you enjoy your math yesterday? Did you still remember the ordinal numbers? Okay, so forget about numbers. You're going to learn science today, okay? So, our lesson is about source of sounds. You know what are sounds? What is a sound? If you go outside, you can hear any sounds, okay? There are a lot sources of sounds, like in your house, you can hear the sound of your dog, your rooster, your TV, or if you're watching TV, you can hear sounds above your house. Sometimes airplanes passing there, so sounds of airplanes. Other more sounds of bicycle or motor, sounds of cars, or there are a lot of sounds you can hear in your house or outside your house, okay? So in this lesson, you will learn a lot of sources of sound, okay? On the board, you can see word here. We are going to read the word first before we identify the pictures, okay? So here is the word tick. Tick tack sounds. Tick tack sounds, okay? So that is the sound of a clock, big clock. Do you have a big clock at home? Okay, so most of you or most of us have a clock at home, okay, to check your time before you go to school, before you sleep, or before you eat your breakfast. Okay, what's the sound of a clock? Tick tack sounds. The big clock. This is a clock. About this one, what's this? This is a bell. What does the bell? What's the sound of the bell? Cling clang, 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 cling clang. The big bell. Cling clang, cling clang. The big bell. Okay. Then here, tweet sings the bird in the tree. Okay. Have you seen bird around your house or at the back of your house? At the back of your house. So how was the sound of the bird? What's the sound of the bird? Tweet. Tweet is very fast. Sings the bird in the tree. Okay. Cook by the frog in the field. Okay. Have you heard the sound of a frog? During rainy season, you can hear sound of a frog, even at your backyard. Okay, during your rainy season, you can hear sound of a frog. It's very, very loud. Okay, cook by the frog in the field. Okay, about the rain, is there sound of a rain? As the rain tap. Okay, so in your rooftop, especially if the rain is very strong, you can hear the sound of the rain. Okay, as the rain tap. As the rain tap. Okay, shall we read again? Tick tack sounds. The big clock. Cling clang, the big bell. Tweet, sings the bird in the tree. Cook by the frog in the field. As the rain tap. Okay, so this is the pictures. This is the picture here. You can see a lot of pictures. Okay, this is clock. This is bell. This is bird. This is frog and rain. Okay, you can see this at page 108 of your book. Okay, you can see the different sources of sound. Okay, here are the sounds at home. Sounds at home means inside your house or outside your house. Okay? Again, there is a clock, big clock. If you have clock at home, so if you go near under the clock, because clock usually hang on the wall, so if you go near the clock, you can hear the sound of a clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, like that. Okay? Clock and cassette tape, or you have your stereo, you have your karaoke. Okay? So how does what's the sound of your karaoke? If you play music, okay, different kinds of music or some speeches. Okay, so you can hear different kinds of sounds in your karaoke or your cassette tape. If you want to listen music, you can just on your karaoke or your cassette tape. Then outside your house, if you have a dog, so the dog keep on barking, arf, 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 arf. Okay, and also the cat sounds meow, something like that. So you can see the sound of animals. Okay, even roaster, this is roaster, letter R. Roaster your chicken. Okay, the male chicken we call roaster. Okay, early in the morning the roaster crow. Okay, very lahi. The roaster has a big sound in the morning. All right, roaster. We have a pig, also dog, other more. Goat in the field, horse in the field. They have also their own sounds. Okay, so these are the sounds at home. About sounds in the street. Sounds in the street. Okay, along the road, you can see different kinds of sounds. Okay, for example, fire truck. You can hear the big siren, woo, 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 together with the ambulance. Okay, not only fire truck but also ambulance. They are very noisy. They have big sounds. Okay, it means that you have to prepare if you hear the sounds. All right, fire truck, cars. There are a lot of different kinds of cars outside or along the road. You can see a van, you can see Lexus, you can see bus, you can see Grab or other more. Okay, you can hear motorcycle. Alright, so a sound in the street. You can hear also the sound of airplane when the airplane will pass going to the airport. So you can hear the sounds of airplane. And also in the street you can find policemen. They are sounding their whistle, doing like that. Very, very, very loud. Okay, whistle, the sound of the whistle. And also when you see selling an ice cream, so can you hear something? Okay, they have a small bell. Okay, the ice cream bell. They have clink, 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 but it's not so very loud. Okay, so they are ice cream bell. Then here they are also group of people who are talking loudly. You can hear the sounds of people laughing together, or some other people are fighting together. You can hear loud sounds, or other people are shouting together. So you can hear sounds of those. Okay, so again, the fire truck, car, ambulance, whistle, ice cream bell, also group of people. They have sounds. Okay, the policeman whistling his whistle. Also here at page 110, sounds in the school. Okay, so if you go to your school, can you hear sound? Is there a sound there? Okay, So we can hear the sound of group of children who are playing together, okay? So other children are playing together with their cars, or they're playing balls during break time, or they are singing together, or sitting together and sing together. Okay. Also the sound of, for example, your topic is about music, you can hear sounds of music, okay? And sound of your teacher shouting, or sounds of your classmates who are playing together. What other sounds in school do you hear? Name them, okay? Can you hear some sounds in the school? Okay, you can name here, you can write here, okay? Or you can draw, okay? Sounds or other sounds in the school. Okay, so these are different kinds of sounds. Alright, for your reading activities, I want you to read this, okay? This is a simple reading activities that I'm going to give to you. Just read the sounds of different sources of sound, okay? Tick-tack sounds, the big clock. Cling-clang, the big bell. Tweet, 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 sings the bird in the tree. Cuckoo, by the frog in the field. As the rain tap, tap, tap. Okay? I will call you one by one. So you have to practice this first. I will give you 5 minutes to practice. Read by yourself, and I will call your name after 5 minutes. Okay? So please get your book at page 108. Okay? Page 108. Page 108. Okay? So read by yourself, and I will call your name. Okay, kids, so thank you. Most of you can read the words or the sources of sounds, okay? For others, please practice your reading. Alright, so this time, it's time for us to do our activities in your book, okay? So, please prepare your book. You're going to do something here. Alright, so for the task number 1, what sound does each picture make? What sound does each picture make? Connect each to the sound it produces. Okay? For example, here, there are 4 sources of sound. Cat, dog, bell, bird. Cat, dog, bell, bird. What is the sound of a cat? Is it arf, arf, arf? Is it cling, cling, cling? Is it tweet, 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 or meow, meow, meow? You're going to connect, okay? You're going to draw a line to its sound. Cat sound is meow, meow, meow. Okay, you're going to connect cat to this sound. Okay, number 2 is a dog. What's the sound does the dog produces? Okay, is it arf, 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 cling, 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 tweet, 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 or meow, meow, meow? You're going to connect the dog to the sound that it produces. Okay, and bell, and this is a bird. Okay, so which sound does it produces? Okay, bell and bird. You're going to connect the sound that they produces. Okay? This is task number 1. For the task number 2, where do these sounds come from? Okay, where do these sounds come from? People means group of children, group of big people, mama or father or mother, or boy or girls, this we call them people. We are people, okay? So this is animal, but here you can see a lot of animals here, okay? At page 112, you can find animals. What are the animals? Cat, dog, cow, pig, bird, monkey. Those are animals. So animals, you know already what is animal. Objects, these are the things, okay? Like TV, like your table, your chairs, like your whistle. This is objects. This is also object, okay? The instruction here is, where do these sounds come from? If from people, you are going to color red. People, there are only two people here, 1, 2, okay? So you are going to color red. 1, 2, you color them red. If from animals, you color them blue. Where is animals? There is only one animal here. You're going to color it blue, okay? You color blue. You color the bird blue. From objects, color them yellow. Objects are train, bell, cassette, okay? Bell, train, and cassette, you color them yellow. Okay, again, you're going to color red the two people here, policeman and this man, okay? Color them red. And for one animal here, you're going to color blue. And for the objects, bell, cassette, and train, you color them yellow. Alright? Do you understand? Okay, so please color it properly. And for the number 3, you're going to color these objects, okay? You just color the pictures. And this is our next topic for science on Thursday, okay? Color train, color the bus or truck. This is fire truck. You color the bell, and these are firecrackers. Okay? So thank you for your listening. Okay? So I will give you 15 minutes to finish these activities. And please don't forget to drop so that I will give you your score. Okay? Okay, kids, thank you again for your participation. So, for your last activity is to listen to your homework, okay? So, I gave you simple homework. So, in your notebook, you are going to draw. Do not color anymore. You are going to draw drum, draw your TV or television, and draw airplane, okay? You draw drum, television, airplane. We're going to discuss this on Thursday next week, okay? Draw, drum, television, and airplane, okay? So please submit your homework before the time, so that I can give you your score after checking. Okay? Thank you for your listening today. And please read your book, your science book, and your English book too. Alright. So, see you tomorrow for your English. Bye-bye.